Hi guys, we are here in Las Vegas at a resort. It's called the Desert Rose Resort, really nice place. And today we are actually going to go take a motorcycle ride to Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, which is probably about 10 miles right outside the Las Vegas Strip. It is Valentine's Day, so I packed a little picnic in the bag. I want to show you guys how to make a little fancy out on the road. I got some good olive oil, I got some spices, we're gonna make a dip. We picked up some cheese and some wine at Napa Valley, and we are gonna ride out to the canyon and kind of see if we can have a picnic over there and do a quick little foodie video on how to make a nice little fancy thing on the road. Okay, so see you guys there. We are taking a ride on the motorcycle to explore the canyons and do a nice little Valentine's picnic. But just want you guys to look at this view. It is amazing. So we're going to take some pictures. Hopefully we'll get some good photos. Well, not hopefully, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to get some amazing photos. But it is beautiful here. It is nice. Bike out of the resort and trekked over here. It's about 35-40 minutes, and we packed a picnic. It is Valentine's. Have all my stuff here. I'm just gonna set it up and we're gonna have a nice little picnic here in the park. Look at that view. Look at that view. wine glasses. Okay, so we got some cheese from Napa Valley. Let's see what we got here. Oma from Von Trapp and Jasper Hill. It's a soft cheese. It's like a brie. This one is a hard cheese. It's from Wagon Wheel Cowgirl Creamery out in California. These are all California cheeses. And this is Foggy Morning Moscatio Valley cheese. Num 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 num. We are going to make some dipping sauces. It's really easy to make a good dipping oil to pair with your charcuterie. So we got some California olive oil. Since we are on the California theme, we got a California wine from Visa Tui out in Napa Valley. This is the Olive Ranch olive oil, which we got from Whole Foods. As I mentioned before, we got some cured meats. So the simple thing about making dipping oil is really just you go into your cupboard, into your spice drawer, or wherever you keep your spices, and just get a whole bunch of spices. You just take different spices to your liking and you put it in oil. I got some Cypress Black artisan salt and Icelandic birch smoked sea salt, and I got these from a cute little shop in Portland, Maine. So I'm gonna use those salts. What else I got here? I got some dried jalapeno peppers. We got this at a farmer's market, I think in Arizona. Throughout all this travel, I've been collecting all these spices, so it's been pretty fun. I have Mediterranean oregano, some dried cilantro, got some French thyme, and I got some Mediterranean paprika. And these I got out in this little shop out in Memphis on our trip down south. What else do I got here? I got seasoning salt. I think it's a Trader Joe's one. And I got this from the Spice House. It's called epazote, and it's a Mexican tea, but it's used in Latino cooking as well. We got this in Wisconsin at some indoor markets. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Just use that for one oil. Where I got here French thyme, cilantro, Mediterranean oregano. Let's do the Mediterranean oregano. Let's put some of this black artisan salt in there. That's gonna be fun. Whoa, look at this, pretty cool. Just put a couple things there. Let's use the paprika, some French thyme. Put that together. I really never tried these out, but I'm just making it up as I go. That's the fun thing about it. You know, it could be a hit, it could be a miss, who knows? But this is the way you make some infused oils too. Like if you find a mix that you like, get a smaller bottle, put some oil in it, and then put those seasonings in there, and it'll infuse. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use this Icelandic birch smoked sea salt. And look at these, the large crystals, super cool. I was talking to the lovely lady at the shop, and she said these are perfect to throw on a salad, on grilled meats, like right after it's cooked. Generally, these big rock salt pieces, you want to use it as like a flavoring topping. Throw these little of those. And let's make this one a little spicy. We'll put jalapeno pepper in there. If I could get this thing open. So dried jalapenos. That's going to be nice. And we're going to just add a little black pepper to that as well. Got the olive oil. We are going to my little mixer. Let's mix that around. Oh, sucky. We got these from Whole Foods. Black pepper and cured salami, and this one's a mild salami. you have it. Nice little charcuterie out in nature. It took me all of 5 minutes to get ready. And got some wine glasses. These are plastic. We got them from Pure One Imports. They're lovely. They're on sale. So what do we have here? So we went to Visa Tui, which is one of my favorite wineries in Napa. I guess it's in St. Helena, which is in the Napa Valley. So we have a dry Gewürztraminer. My favorite is actually the Riesling from there, and I thought I pulled that out of the refrigerator, but this was Erin's choice, so she's in luck because now we're gonna get to drink hers. But nonetheless, it's gonna be perfect with this charcuterie. We're gonna open it up. Let's go. It was chilled earlier today. So there you have it. Even out on the road on our travels, you know, I am a city boy and I like fancy things. So every now and then I still gotta make something a little bit fancy, even if we're out in the middle of nowhere. But it is still gorgeous out here. Look at this. Wouldn't you want to have this on your Valentines? Have a nice charcuterie plate on a picnic table with this gorgeous view. So we got the perfect wine. We got some amazing cheeses, some olives, a little different dipping sauces. And before I say goodbye to you guys, I'm gonna have a little bit of one of these oils. Right guys, thanks again for following me on all my adventures. There's other videos on the channel, so check them out. There's videos of our travel rig, there are cooking videos, there are going to be more adventure videos. So stay tuned. So if you want to see all that stuff and you like all this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button at the end of the video. Make sure you hit that bell also. That'll give you notifications of whenever I release a new video. And yeah, guys, thanks you for following me and have a wonderful week. And I will see you next week. Bye. Hi guys, we are in Is that it? Oh, pretty grapey. And my favorite is so it's a dry Gewürztraminer.